Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily block users on YouTube. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up YouTube app. Then let's say I want to block some user that annoys me with their comments. So first off, I need to open up my channel. Let's pretend that this is my YouTube channel, and now I need to open up some video to find that comments. I can hit right here to bring up all the comments, and let's say I want to block that user. All you have to do in the same situation is just tap at their profile picture, then tap at profile picture again to show up that user's YouTube channel, and then just hit right here at this three dots icon and select block user. Now it says that blocking this user will prevent them from commenting on videos you have uploaded. You can hit at block, and since that time this user not allowed to write down comments at my videos, but they can still watch my videos. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my YouTube tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.